Minim boni a media young crofui. Yes, yeah, the yona nya ya, ye now fire. And you're very sad. Me yes, I mean come once, but in fact, a binum apamacho, but I was expecting sa Juana would di matemno, Cornua Metna station Juana on Pacho.
Now,
up till now,
some people have come to.
Now, Unim say, I don't know what I am, it will go against them. We shall see. Maya, my dear Manai, Maya, and Amababe Pamacho. Mosaya Beam. This time, Mudia Trotumusuna Mudi Matem. Say, Yan and Ghana, honey.
Right? We are all here in Ghana, are we not?
Minyanya Mio.
You know what? I'm not God.
But me and a prophet. Me man fight it. Ama Nana Kufuado, any NPP 2016. Me fight him almost physically and spiritually. Or so for be any Ghana ha.
There is no man of God in Ghana.
Say what about Wafi? I can't how many months? 76 days. We shall see. Sofo Kwame Amo, catcher Father Dixon, and then chromatic as here. Namon started. There be a motor radio show among Samu Mutu Galam says, Sense you Munyae. What? Monka, catcher Father Dixon said, Men, I'm a Monka. Samoya, Mosundra Michamuka.
Ebusia, I'm for a Tresse MP4 a day. Dr. Owusu Bempah. And our Muntia. Into this year, acquire election year, or Munina air train say, Owusu Bempah Babontin, Abeka Bibi, Edia share any pan crying, and I say, Obeka Bibi, Namama Hun say, MPP Neko, and I say, NDC Neko, why you cool now, if you name some kind of say, indirect speech. Now, and then, Papa Owusu Bempah Babontin, Abekasa, when I saw them one, name some Wakano. I don't think say Nana Akufado enibe jun so beti and I say Dr. Baumia Crampono enibe jun say obeti near Sofo Owusu Bempah kan enebusia me de nchiremunu na me de bro ti message ne di mo a subscribe page ne mi adoma ne so se na me upload bia so na onsa ebetumi aka ebusia oba Ghana obi emi say Sofo Owusu Bempah de o hye nkom na ne nkom hye mostly e koma MPP na onu akasa e chiremu a o chese e nyame ene man kwan say on kan sem bi o kan ma party no enye say e nipasem na oye anase bi ya sike bi no bi ama ne nti ne man kan ya okeka no 4 years bia ye hu say Owusu Bempah e trende with ne nkom hye na as a matter of fact on any prophet a o hye nkom last na manfo kire say o to ne boase e ready nkom hye hodo bi a hye no ahwe de we ni mesifa akọ ansa na wa be hye nkom nene Owusu Bempah babonten abekasa na ne nsem a o de beto abonten no eye nsem a eye arehuye o se wasum party no nanso no enipa ehu nyoma ye na Owusu Bempah ebu a efu ene ne nsem o ka nyina ejina se MPP nipa bi ekọ chema wontumi TV station so enoko di na tem enye ba o men di na tem eye MPP supporter bi na di na tem na emom o chem se di odi na tem no enkofo afa echiri abepa acho de ba na o hwenim se anka di odi na tem na nkasa besa betena platform no so na nka pa na cho enam se nipa no wanye ni senti Owusu Bempah boefu
atade bi on ma chacha ro unza odifa mo akonta apostle amoakonta me hwe na ibi omo de kire me o se MPP for the ntina mo ha Sofo Owusu Bempah sa translate.
So I watched a video of Prophet Francis Amoakwata, and he was saying, kind of lamenting why MPP supporters are disturbing Prophet Isaac Owusu Bempah. Now you can see that he was lamenting over it. And indeed, it's quite annoying when things like that happen.
Nipa Odene Krato Homam 2016
now,
and 2020.
Now, in his video, he said that such a man who laid down his soul for you in 2016 and in 2020,
physically and spiritually,
both spiritually and physically.
Dear Mode year no nyina achi. Mansa de na kotena chama wuntumi TV so radio so na mo say di natem.
Now, in spite of all the things you have done to him, they did not seem enough. Now, people sat on television, Wuntumi TV, and they lambasted Prophet Owusu Bempah and insulted him.
Akwano odi matempa odi matema ka say bronsam de kasa kire me nyame.
Now that panelist who was speaking,
where MPP new MPP for
an MPP, a known MPP supporter, said that it was the devil who was speaking to me and not God.
Our MPP station
and
TV radio
happened at an NPP television.
And
all the things they were alleging against me were not true.
Steve Wingham, Assemblies of God for Sofo Penny me
now the man of God that they were alleging that I have met with him, I don't know him, I have not met him, and I do not believe I would even recognize him if I met him in town. But they sat on that television broadcast and they spoke lies through their teeth.
And I'm not convinced you are so from penny for to say Archbishop Papa is to the Anaba or so for Dakiwa Mills. Men are mema convinced you almost sorintia or so for Victor Kusibuate. Sabea Cathedral won't means men are sabotage. Many are soft with me also Bempah. Na Cathedral are so from Gramen Count. Minimbe Bimpo mu a cathedral. Na mutuana mudi matem. Some men are me ya na cathedral. Woman Timiansi, me Owusu Bempah.
Now, they also accused me that I am the person going about convincing some men of God to turn against Prophet Victor Kusibuating so that they will sabotage the construction of the cathedral. But that's a lie. They have accused me of being a saboteur.
Also for me.
But it is not true.
Na me Sophie stood ne so for dark ne Abu Shokra ni cathedral in my life.
And in fact, in my life, I have never had any conversation with the Archbishop, Pastor Eastwood, and Bishop Dakiwad Mills. I've never had any conversation with them concerning the cathedral. And they have accused me of being the devil. So I do not know what I have done against these people.
How? Yes, yeah, they are now, yeah, fire. And you're very sad. Me, I say, but in fact, me share said, apostle, I'm a quanta buofu, now Cassano. So I didn't think MPP for more years of Owusu Bempah.
Now I decided I was not going to say anything about it, but after I watched the video, I was touched the vehemence with which Prophet Amwakwanta was speaking about the conduct of some MPP supporters. It's quite disheartening.
Ebinum apamecho, but I was expecting sa Juana would di matemno. Konwa metna station Juana on Pacho.
Now,
up till now,
some people have come to render an apology for what happened on that television station. But I was expecting that same gentleman who spoke out those words against me would himself apologize, or they will come and retract all the things they said about me.
Also, for Apostle Prophet Amwakwanta, was say it will go against you people. Now, only say, I don't know what I am. It will go against them. We shall see.
Now, Apostle Amwakwata said that these things that you are doing against Prophet Isaac Owusu Bempah will turn around against you. It will come and bite you. And of a truth, it will bite them.
This time,
now you have already offended me, and this time you are adding insults to injury. You are speaking lies about me. Really? Right? We are all here in Ghana, are we not? You know what? I'm not God.
But I'm a prophet.
But I am a prophet of God. Heaven and earth bears witness that I am a prophet of God.
Me man fighting ama Nana Akufo-Addo and NPP 2016. Me fighting more physically and spiritually.
Now, there is nothing that you will say or do or show to prove that I did not fight for Nana Akufo-Addo and the NPP in 2016. I fought spiritually and physically. I did. There is no man of God in Ghana. There is no man of God here in Ghana that did so much work in the spirit and in the physical. You know, we have worked hard.
But
whatever we did, it was God that instructed us to do.
But
people were not pleased.
I can't, how many months? 76 days. We shall see. Bonsema Jesus.
Put your hands together for Jesus.
I didn't know people before. I didn't know Omudidi Matem. I didn't know Mulchan Trotromisu. Some memena me fate ana mama cathedral na maso me na ensuo ese organa hawo ensuo no se rough ensuo organa nyina ese entwo se nyame asofo monso de nyina na galamse na ekoso aye sensuo no yenso de nyina no munya asha galamse no na ya hwe ebe kakra nya nsuo no ahemfo nso ne nyina mpanifo mu nso ne nyina na galamse ese nsuo no o ma pani na na Akufo-Addo atena ho ma galamse ese Ghana ye nsuo nyina o munya careful what ya na o mu hwe ye what ya na I don't know who says you. Osofo amobra. Na osofo wo ye centroni. Eti muntimi nkasa se omu sensu. Moka. Ehemfo na etu galamse sensu sa. Osofo meto aso next week mapon. Bonsem Erade. Hallelujah. Obia timi kira na dwene ade a besa o ma no se eka nanado waya de papa e beka de anya so e beka me na nansa me bo na baso me bo se waya ade but galamse no esensuo na metie news ya se yan hwe e beka kra be kra nsuo afri baby places bi kra de o mbe wo akwala na oni nsa na oni nan galamse enu no enanama asase na se ena ese oman ese yensase Osofo Kwame Amo ka kire Father Dixon ene nkromati kase na mon starte da bia mo tren radio so amonka se mo amutu galamse sensuo no munyae ate monka ka kire Father Dixon se me na me se monka Samoya, Bosundra Metriamuka. Bonsam Eradi.
Who share video where Sofo Owusu Bempah or Sofo pon na oye nipa na as a matter of fact situation bi nipa bia ekomu no ono so ekomu bi fi say ono so watenka na the way enema si fa ekono enye ne de anything na man na say ontumi nkasa and afin so no ontumi so ntwen ben party for enka party ni mu nsem we na mafo gina so ka say ebia ne party ni de ne ka osom party no ebia omo hye ne bo so mbesi den ama no na edan no amma so and ebia omo mani sika bi ene sika no adani beans and near one of the things I'm going for Eka. Ebium Sonama for a trim say, it could be say, Dr. Baumia, I'm finding one tone on so. Or the no koto other prophets, so say Prophet Kusibuatin, any other prophet. Into whom say, Sawasa me home, Eddie Jumana command Kusibuatin there, and the whom he say, Medum be same beauty. I mean, tell me, Ben say, a hen about could do, and they say, when to me we near, Namo be who say, aha, also been paying Nimunti, and Baumia entime wini but utie and some papa na kana on say why worried enti Sofo Owusu Bempah bu efunu che say ebe kweti ya party no ama MPP elusu ana because osi o Sofo no nyame Sofo ebusia jaw comment to me comment se won mo na subscribe me page na ma refi say be follow me on all the other social media platforms so eye too much GH Macron.